Hello everyone, welcome back to the Apple Connect, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to screen record on your iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. So let's get started. So the first one is all about the usual way, which is all about we have to go over here at the top and navigate to the control center, and now you can see this particular icon where you can tap on over here like this. So as you can see, the screen record is being taken most probably, and right now the screen is getting recorded. So I'm going to do something like this, and over here once whatever you want to take the screen record, once it is done, just go over here and you have to tap on this one so that it is saved. And if you go over here on the respective one, you can see this is particular what we have taken right now, and you can do anything over here. So this is the screen record what we have taken. So after trying with this, most probably some users end up in a question, what if this particular option is not there? So for example, what I'm going to do is imagine that this particular option is not here. So if that is the case, what we have to do? So if that is the case, if you are not able to see this option, you have to go over here at the top left, and there is a plus icon. Tap on this one, and what you need to do is there is an option called add a control. So just tap on this one. So right now, as you can see, if you wanted to add the screen recording, if it is missing over there, if you wanted to add it, not only screen recording, anything can be added. But for this right now, if you wanted to add the screen recording, tap over here it once again. So as you can see, it is there. And once you have to tap over here, and right now you can screen record from here as it is. So if it is not there, just add the respective control button over here. And once you can take the screen record as well, that is also fine with that. So these are some of the possible workaround where you can take how to screen record, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.